Hello, my name is Josue Kiza. I attend Patterson High School, and here are 5 things you need to know.
Number 1. Remember, schools and offices are closed Wednesday, November 26th for a Wellness Day, as well as November 27th and 28th for Thanksgiving break. We hope you have a wonderful holiday. Number 2. Congratulations to Park Heights Academy for winning the first Mayor's Attendance Challenge of the school year. Many thanks to Mayor Scott for promoting daily attendance. Number 3. Save the date for our middle and high school choice fair on Saturday, December 13th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Baltimore Convention Center. In the meantime, visit our website to learn about schools and find open houses. Number 4. Happy 25th anniversary to the Moravia Park Judy Center, which provides or connects families to early learning services. And number 5. Did you know that every school has a community school coordinator? If your family needs help with food, clothing, housing assistance, or other resources, just contact your school.